Hi there, this is Marisa from DigitalScrapbook.com, and I'm just going to show you really quick here a few different ways to resize a graphic. So in this case here, I have this paper open in Photoshop, and I'm going to come up here to Image. I'm going to choose Image Size. So you can see here, this piece of paper here is 12 by 12 inches, and it's at 300 pixels, which means it's good for printing. If this is at 72, that would mean it's good for web viewing, but may not have enough pixels for you to print it out. So I had a question here about how to resize something to like 4 by 6 or 6 by 8. And so it kind of depends on what you want to do. If you want to try to maintain the whole size or like as much of the pattern as you can, you want to come in here and in the image size box and resize this first. So say we wanted this to be 4 by 6. First we would pick the biggest size, which would be 6. So this is going to just size it down to 6 inches, and it's still a square. And so to change the actual dimensions of this canvas, we want to come here to canvas size. And now we can change one of these to 4. And it's going to go ahead and it's going to crop the whole canvas. And so you can see here you have different choices. So if you just want to crop it to the middle, that's what this means. But if I select up here, it's going to crop it to the top. If I select here, it's going to crop it to the bottom. So kind of depending on what part of the pattern you want to save, you can change this. But I'm just going to go with the middle. And it's going to, it's cropping, so we're going to lose something. And there you go. So now we can come back here and we can check the image size. And it's 4 by 6. And so you can follow the same pattern, to make the paper any size you want. I'm just going to come back here to the beginning. And say you wanted to like keep the pattern big, you could just come in here right away to canvas size. I could just go right away to 6 by 4 and crop it. And so now you can see I have less of the pattern because I've just cropped. I didn't resize it first. So those are just a few things to keep in mind when you are changing the dimensions of something. You can just kind of think about how much of the pattern you want to save or what area you want to crop to. I hope that was helpful and that you have a great day.